Basically, we all understand what RS consists of. We have the RS server, we have the notebooks that you get, the projector, and the speakers. So, the new addition that we are going to be installing to at least 12 or 15 schools. Garrison already has these. Right, Morim? Simkonaya? You already have these. This is called a mesh network. We have 3 nodes. Every set has 3 nodes. The 3 nodes will be used to ensure that the network, the RS network, is all over the school. One will be installed here in this library. Let me tell Morim, where's Mercy? Okay, so we will install one here. Then we'll install another one just below there. I hope that class has power. Does it have power? Yeah. Socket, you gonna socket? Yeah. So for the schools that we are going to be installing these, we have done it in Royce. Was it Royce? Royce, Royce, we did it. We were there with Mark, and we did, is it in Oro? Yes, in Oro. And which other school? Yeah? Which other school did we go to? For the mesh. We went to Inoro, Royce, and Thingido. And Thingido, Yes.